What's up, Camp Griddlemore? It has been 1 year since Sean the camera guy and I started this show and started cooking on these Blackstone Camping Griddles, and we love them even more now than we did when we started. So on today's episode of Camp Griddlemore, we are going to go over our 8 favorite features of the Blackstone Camping Griddles. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. The first thing that I love about these Blackstone Camping Griddles is that there are 2 different options. There's a 14-inch with a side burner, and there's also a 20-inch that's all griddle. So the 14-inch with side burner is great if you're a small camping party, 1 person, 2 people, 3 people, because that side burner opens up all kinds of cool options. You can boil water for pasta or for corn, or you can heat up soup. Really cool package on the 14-inch with side burner. The 20-inch has more griddle space, so if you're a larger family, that might work really well. If you want to be able to make a lot of pancakes at once, if you want to be able to make stir fry or beef or broccoli for a large group of people that are camping together, that 20-inch might be a great option for you. The second thing I love about these camping griddles is the size and the style of them. They are really, really attractive looking, and they are so portable. They work really well with my tent camping setup. They work well if I want to just throw them in my truck and go to the park for the day. They also fit in the storage bin of my smaller RV, and of course they fit in the storage bin of my larger RV. The dimensions for both of these griddles are 21 inches by 17 inches by 6 inches, and they both weigh either 25 or 26 pounds. So they are very lightweight, very portable, great for tent camping, great for overlanding, great for RV owners. The third thing that I love is it's also very easy to transport. So there's a lock that locks the griddle into place. There are latches that close the suitcase style and keep that very secured. And there's a handle to make it easy to carry. The fourth thing that I love about these camping griddles is that you have 3 different options for using propane. So you can use the regulator that comes with them and use the 1-pound propane tanks, or you can get an adapter and use the 5, 10, or 20-pound propane tanks. Or if you have an RV with you, you can get the RV propane quick connect and tap right into the propane tank that's on your RV. All 3 are great options for these camping griddles. The 5th thing that I love is this ceramic titanium cooktop. It heats up quickly, it cools down quickly, it distributes the heat very, very evenly. Even though it gets really, really hot, it's also very forgiving. I just don't burn anything on this. It cooks so nicely, and it's also incredibly easy to clean up. The 6th thing that I love about these camping griddles is the stow and go grease cup. The design on this is absolutely perfect. The grease cup stores inside of the griddle, so it's one less thing to worry about losing, one less thing to worry about storing, and you want to make sure you get these grease cup liners as well. And even though it's kind of a little baby grease cup, you can cook a whole pound of bacon on this thing before you fill it up. The 7th thing that I love about these Blackstone Camping Griddles is that now you can get them with the Propane Chain system that allows you to hook up extra accessories, all kinds of fun stuff you can add to the system there. The 8th thing that I love about these camping griddles are these adjustable feet, because let me tell you, we did not have an even or level campsite in all of 2024, and even though we have this awesome campsite today, it is not level. So I use this feature on almost every single camping trip, and it sure is handy. All right, Camp Griddlemore, as you can see, we love these Blackstone Camping Griddles. We have used them when I take my rooftop tent camping. Sean uses these when he takes his pop-up camper camping. You can use these whether you have a small RV or a big RV. No matter what your camping setup is, these things look great, they camp great, and they're packed with awesome features. So hope you grab one for camping this year. I promise you, you will love them. Thanks for watching, everyone. Wishing you lots of camping trips this year, lots of level sites, and hopefully I'll see all of you at the campground.